What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If it is the first time you're touching down on this channel, welcome to Small Feet Big Heat. We talk sneakers, we talk streetwear, and everything in between. Today, I'm coming at y'all with a Hat Club unboxing. This is going to be my most recent Hat Club pickups from like the last week or two. We're going to go ahead and get straight into it. But first, I want to see if y'all noticed something. I'm going to spin these around. Notice anything? They took the branding off the boxes, so no more Hat Club writing on the side of the boxes. If you've been buying from Hat Club for a while, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The boxes on the side used to say Hat Club, Hat Club, Hat Club, Hat Club. It looks like they took that off. You still have the Hat Club tape, but no more branding on the boxes, which might actually be a smart idea. The more people that get hip to Hat Club, y'all know how people do. People steal packages for sure. So that might actually be a smart idea, but I did notice it. And I wanted to see if y'all noticed it too. Update on the lid situation. If you didn't know, if you don't keep up with the videos, I ordered a hat from the Lasso collection. I ordered a 7. They sent me like a 7 3/4, I believe it was. So they sent me a return label. I reached out to customer service. They sent me a return label. I'm gonna go ahead and actually ship that back to them today. I was gonna do it over the weekend, but I was busy enjoying my birthday. So I'm gonna ship that hat and the pin back to them today because I don't need the pin if I don't have a Lasso hat. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and get into these boxes. So I took all the labels off and stuff, so honestly, I don't know which one is which. Okay. Okay. There you go. This is the McDonald's joint from the Burger Pack California Angels. It's a red crown. The yellow California Angels front logo, the white outline. See the halo on there. I don't have any other hats with this front logo, so this is gonna be my first one. I like adding new stuff to the collection, I can't lie. I started out just collecting Yankees and Dodgers. It's definitely been a journey. Subscribe so y'all can keep up with it, because it's not gonna stop here. Really nice side patch. This is what sold me on the hat. That side patch, super clean, very nice. I just love it for some reason. I love the way that side patch came out. Really nice. 35th anniversary. I don't know, for some reason it just hits. I like what I like. Flat Batterman, yellow, white, real nice. New Era flag. It's a tonal New Era flag. Red button on top to match the red crown. Size 7 1/8, size 7 1/8, and size 7 1/8. Gotta check the inside. Gotta check. Gray UV with the black guts. I told y'all at the beginning of the year I am trying to step up my greens and my grays, so this is a welcome addition to the collection. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the pin. All right. There were 3 pins available, but this is the one that came with the hat. I didn't buy any of the other 2 options. I think the pins were pretty cute. I mean, y'all let me know, but I thought they were cute. It's a burger pouring ketchup on itself. I like it. I'll show it to y'all on the hat when I do the B-roll footage, so make sure y'all watch all the way through. I will be dropping an upcoming hat releases video this week that'll probably hit y'all Thursday, so make sure y'all subscribe, hit the notification bell so that y'all don't miss out on that. And I'm also starting a new series on the channel where I will be rating your fits and your hats. I'm gonna do it all in one episode. There'll be plenty of space and it'll be a weekly thing so that everybody can participate. We'll have fun with it. Maybe depending on how it goes, I'll eventually do it live. I feel like we could have a lot of fun with that. So down below in the comment section, definitely let me know what y'all think of that idea and help me figure out a name for the segment. I'm thinking Heat or Week, but I don't know. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, this was the little shock drop that they had. I have a lot of red hats. I need to buy some other colors. So this is the Del Taco joint from the Hat Club Taco Pack. It was a pack of 3 hats that released the same day as the Burger Pack, but it was like around 9 o'clock. I saw them posted on Instagram and I jumped right on it. I love tacos. I don't like fast food tacos. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I don't like Del Taco. I don't like Taco Bell. I don't like any of that shit. But I love tacos. So yeah, I wasn't gonna pass this up. Plus the hat is just fire. Like, you know, inspiration aside, the hat is just fire. I love a good two-tone. That Angels front logo with the wings, especially in that color, like it just looks crazy. You know what I mean? Like, look at that. The green with the yellow. It's a great color combination on that front logo. Really nice. Like I said, two-tone, so you got that dark red on the crown, brown top bill, brown button on top to match. Size 7 1/8, 7 1/8. I gotta check. gotta check. I can't be heartbroken and disappointed again. Green UV, black sweatband. Really nice side patch, 50th anniversary. Got the halo in there. Some green, some yellow, a little bit of brown. Flat Batterman, red, yellow. Is that green? Yes, a little bit of green in there as well. Tonal New Era flag. I like this one a lot. I really do. Like this one a lot. It isn't a green or a gray, but you know, I didn't say I was gonna stop buying color UVs. I just said I was gonna pay more attention to greens and grays. This is definitely fire. And there's actually a pin in here. Okay, it's another burger pin. That's cool. I'll take it. I'll take it. It would have been dope if it was a taco, but I'll take it. So same burger, pouring ketchup on itself. Let me know what y'all think of this one. Del Taco from Hat Club. I said it before on this channel and I'll say it again. I don't pay resale for hats. Like those $200, $300 price tags for hats is crazy to me. I will pay a good 70, 80, 90. If it's a hat I really, really, really want and it's not coming back, might get me with 100. But once we start going over 100, I'm really starting to second guess it. But I will say this, that Toronto Blue Jays, the Quiet Storm one, the orange crown, and the brown UV, I need that. I need that. The Texas Rangers Lavender Fields, I need that. The Fast and Furious joint that dropped in the variety pack just Saturday, I need that. I'm a huge Fast and Furious fan. That shit hurt. That shit hurt. It is what it is, but I am gonna be on the lookout for those hats. The prices are crazy right now, so I'm definitely gonna wait until they calm down, but those are 3 hats that are on my hit list for sure. Like, now, later, it don't matter, I'm gonna get them. Let's open up this last one. This is a bright one. This is a bright one. Whataburger. I've really been digging the Texas Rangers joints, and after I took an L on that Oakland A's, I just went to my backups, which was the Whataburger and the McDonald's joints that I already showed y'all. Those were my top 3, and I got 2 out of 3, so I can't complain. You know what I mean? White and yellow Texas Rangers front logo. It's a clean hat. It's bright for sure, but I think it's really clean the way that they executed it. Inaugural season side patch, I believe. Let me see. Inaugural season. Yep. It looks like a cheeseburger. Low key, the patch kind of looks like a cheeseburger. Like I said when I was giving my thoughts on the whole pack, love the way that they did this patch. The yellow, different shades of orange. Like it hits. It looks really good. Flat Batterman, orange, yellow. Tonal New Era flag. And this is a gray bottom. So I'm stepping up my greens and my grays little by little with the white guts. The whole hat honestly reminds me of a cheeseburger. Like I know it's Whataburger, but it really does just remind me of a cheeseburger. So yeah. There should be another pin in here. Same pin. Once again. So I'm gonna show them to you one more time, and then I'm actually going to steam and curve them how I would actually wear them, and then I'm gonna show them to you again because I do feel like that definitely changes the way that the hats look. So one more time, you got the Whataburger Hat Club Burger Pack. Take a look at that. straight out of the box. McDonald's, straight out of the box. That's what it's looking like. Del Taco, straight out of the box. We back and the hats are curved, so let's go ahead and take a look at the California Angels joint first. It does make a difference. This hat looks 10 times better now. Like, it looked good right out the box, but come on now. It's a clean ass hat. I can't believe this sat. I think people are definitely gonna regret it. But you know, people go where the hype is. Buy what you like. There it goes. And I did pull out some sneakers. Very clean hat, the red with the gray UV. I decided to go with a classic Fire Red Force. Can't go wrong. Fire Red Force. Clean sneaker, clean hat. This is a great matchup. And it's a sneaker a lot of people have. If not, you could definitely get your hands on it. Then, of course, we have the Texas Rangers. Looking oh so clean. Will it focus? It is pretty bright. There it goes. Gray UV on this one as well. White sweatband. Put the pin in a different spot so y'all can kind of see all the angles. Real nice. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do this for future videos as well. I did pull out sneakers to go with this one. New Balance 550. These are actually restocking pretty soon, so if you don't have it, you can get your hands on it. And resell is not bad at all, if it'll focus. There it is. So y'all see the yellow, gray with the gray. It makes sense. It makes sense. It looks good. Down below in the comment section, let me know what y'all thought of today's video. Oh, I am gonna do the Del Taco, but I'm gonna do this over on Instagram. I'm starting a new series over there where I'll be showing you like fitted of the day, how I put my pins on my hats, all of that good stuff. So it'll kind of be like a before and after type video with the Del Taco joint at Small Feet Big Heat. If you're not already following me over there, remember to like, comment, subscribe, show a small YouTuber some love, and I'll check y'all out in the next one.